Manufacturers of powders and bulk solids endure relentless pressure to operate lean and flexible production lines. These intermediate bulk container handling systems deliver greater efficiency and superior quality of bulk solids, allowing manufacturers to accelerate their commercial advantage. We can design and manufacture various sizes of IBCs and IBC bulk handling systems to suit a wide range of powders and granular materials for food, toll blending, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. The elegant design of the IBC system utilizes a limited number of components that expedites disassembling and reassembling of the system for cleaning. Production processes may continue unimpeded by the loss of days or weeks needed to clean and reinstate conventional equipment. The simplicity of the system ensures that replacement of parts can be done quickly on site, significantly reducing downtime and expensive maintenance costs. The preeminent feature of each IBC's design is cone valve technology, providing unique flexibility and efficiency. The cone valve is the leading solution for the discharge and flow control of cohesive bulk solids from silos, hoppers, and IBCs, eliminating the typical problems encountered in systems utilizing butterfly or gate valves. The dust-tight seal between the outlet of the IBC and the discharge system and the two-step design of the cone valve ensures a precise closure and removes any possibility of disorientation. We have engineered an extensive range of proprietary equipment that seamlessly integrates into the complete IBC system. The bag dumper station is ideal for manual discharge of powders and granular materials from 20 to 110-pound bags. The bulk bag unloader station facilitates partial discharge of bulk bags without the need to remove the bulk bag from the unloading station. The cyclonic fill head maximizes dust containment. The floor locator guides the IBC under the fill head, while additional sensors confirm the cone valve is installed and the IBC is in position. The IBC discharge system isolates the lifting mechanism from the product flow, removing any possibility of contamination. A load cell may be mounted to the frame to check the weight of the product within the IBC. Internal mixing of ingredients is achieved using the IBC blending and mixing stations that are ideally suited for products that require gentle handling to minimize damage or degradation. These IBC systems are available in stainless steel and polyethylene in either round or square shapes. Customer service is a priority and custom blending equipment is available. These IBC systems deliver flawless integration between all components, ensuring time and cost savings, manufacturing flexibility, and a superior finished product. To learn more information, please visit www.tinsleycompany.com or call 979-217-1480.